Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur Irwin's French Class. Aujourd'hui, dans cette vidéo, nous allons pratiquer l'énonciation et la prononciation en français. After the previous videos covering all the sounds of the French language, let's put all that in practice with a very fun but practical activity, les virelangues or tongue twisters in English. Okay, let's start with the first one. And the first one is around les voyelles orales, the oral vowels. And you will see, so it's really based on the consonant sound se a lot. But we're going to practice firstly the vowels, okay? There's a bit of nasal vowels also in there. Okay, let's do it. Sans souci, si sangsues, suçant, au sont, scies, sont. Okay, so now let's try to increase the pace, or at least read the whole sentence as a whole, okay? Let's do it. Sans souci, si sangsues, suçant au sont, scies. Can you do it? Yes, just try. Okay, so I'm pausing for a bit. Let's try. I bet that was all like a right? But that's normal. Okay, so I'll try to increase the pace. I'm not guaranteeing anything, right? So I might be, getting wrong. So let's do it. Sans souci, si sangsues, suçant au sont, scies. Woo! Sans souci, si sangsues, suçant au sont, scies. Sans souci, si sangsues, suçant au sont, scies. Okay, let's do the number two. Here's the second one. Si, si sans si sans saucisses, si sans scieront, si sans saucissons. Oh my god, why did I do that video? Si sans si sans saucisses, si sans scieront, 600 saucissons. 606 saucissons. I'm not even sure if I get it right. Okay, just try. Si, sans, si. Okay, no, sorry. Si, 600, si, 600 saucisses. 606, scieront, 606 saucissons. Okay. Oh, you have the translation there. So, like I said, it doesn't mean anything, but it's still fun. A lot of right? Okay, the next one is it's slightly easier and it's based on homophones. Okay, so on the homophone of vert, the word vert in French can be green, can be worm, can be glass, okay, can be towards also. So let's cover it together. Le vert vert va vers le vert en vert vert. Le vert vert va vers le vert vert. No, sorry. Le vert vert va vers le vert en vert vert. Okay, just do it. Le vert vert. All right. So I'll try to increase the pace now. Le vert vert va vers le vert en vert vert. Le vert vert va vers le vert vert. Non, le vert en vert vert. Le vert vert va vers le vert en vert vert. Okay. Okay, two around the nasal vowels. Remember 3 to 4 different nasal vowels in French depending on regional accents. Okay. So the first virlangue is Vincent, vint, cent vingt, et Vivien, vingt, sait, vingt. Okay, so a lot of un, of course, a bit of en, and that's it. There's no o in this one. Vincent, vint, vingt, et Vivien, vingt, sait, vingt. Yeah, the last bit is hard to pronounce. Okay, let's increase the pace. Vincent, vingt, et Vivien, Vincent, sait, vingt. sont, c'est, sont. Ok, sont, c'est, sont, sont, c'est, sont. Vingt, vingt. Sont, c'est, cent, vingt, vingt. Sont, c'est, cent, vingt, vingt. Sont, c'est, cent, vingt, vingt. Vincent, 20, 120 et Vivien, 20, 100 c'est 120, 20. Oh my God. Last one about the nasal vowels. Give it a try actually. Or you can pause the video still, to do that if you want to. Vincent, 20, 120 et Vivien, 20, 100 c'est 120, 20. Okay. You can add a bit of rhythm and music in there, so if it's easier. Okay, last one with the on sound a lot. Okay. Si mon tonton ton sera tondu. Si mon tonton sera tondu. Give it a go. And tonton is uncle, by the way. Yeah, it's the childish word for it. Si mon tonton sera tondu. Si mon tonton, ok, tonton, uncle, tonton sera tondu. Si mon tonton sera tondu. Les consonnes and probably one of the most famous virlang in French to practice the opposition between se and sh. You see, they're very close. Se, sh. Let's do it. Un chasseur, sachant, chasser, c'est chasser sans son chien. The last bit is easier. Sans son chien. Okay, let's do it again. Un chasseur, sachant, chasser, c'est chasser sans son chien. That's hard also. It hurts a bit, right? Un chasseur sachant chasser, c'est chasser sans son chien. Un chasseur sachant chasser, sachant chasser, c'est chasser sans son chien. The next one is not too bad either, right? And it's also very famous. Let's do it. Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches, archi-sèches? And I think the key here to well pronounce the opposition is to open your mouth a little bit more with the sh sound, So archi, you see, chi, archi-sèche. Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches, archi-sèches? Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches, archi-sèches? Sont-elles sèches, archi-sèches? Good luck. Voilà les amis, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. A bit different than usual, right? But please share with us what is the most famous tongue twister in your first language. Et n'oubliez pas d'ajouter un pouce bleu et de vous abonner bien sûr. Au revoir, à plus. Ciao.